everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to cook a prime rib. Now this is my very first time, and I thought why not make a video to share with you guys my mistakes, so in case you guys do something like this, you don't have to make a mistake anyways. So we got this at Pick and Save, which is a Kroger affiliate. It is 4.41 pounds. It was supposed to be $13.99 a pound at $61.70. But there is a sale going on right now, so we got it for $6.99 a pound for $30.83. So what we're going to do is, this has been sitting in the refrigerator. You're going to have it sit out for 4 hours. So you want it to be completely like room temperature. And then a little bit before 4 hours, you guys want to start preheating your oven to 500 degrees. And then we'll also be making some rub. But I will share with you guys on that, but I'm just going to let this sit out for about 4 hours, a little bit less than 4 hours before I show you guys what else to do. But yes, this is cold. It's cold, but I am pretty excited to make this. Okay, you guys, so I have been having this sit out for almost 4 hours, and what I'm going to do is actually salt and pepper it first. And then I have my butter ready, and it's been sitting out all morning. And I'm going to mix that up with some herbs, and then I'm going to rub that all over too. But first I'm going to get the pepper and the salt ready, and then I'm also going to start preheating my oven to 500 degrees. So I got my butter. I thought I'm going to do a rounder bowl instead of just kind of my square bowl. So I'm just going to plop the butter in there. And then I'm also going to add a bunch of herbs. Now I'm going to figure out how much I need. I can always add more. So I'm just using a spatula to just kind of mix it up. And then I might have to use my hands to rub it. But we're just going to mix it all up. Get it all mixed up. Probably adds a little bit more. You can never have enough. Okay. So now I'm going to start spreading this all over the meat. And then if I have to put more herbs on the outside, I can do that. So, yes. Okay, you guys, so I tried using my finger and it was not spreading very much, so this spatula works out great. So we're just going to get it all over the place and spread it all around. Now I will go back and spread some more, but I want to make sure I get it all over the place. Okay, now we're going to do this side. Okay, you guys, so I did spread all the rub all over it, and then I also sprinkled it with more salt and pepper and just a little bit of more herbs, but I got it all over as much as I can. And so then what we're going to do is, the stove is almost preheated. I'm going to put it in the stove and cook it for 20 minutes at 500 degrees. Okay, you guys, so I have it in there. It is now 500 degrees. We're going to set the timer for 20 minutes for it just to cook in the oven, and then once the 20 minutes is over, we're going to let it cook even longer without any power on. Okay, you guys, so I had to turn the fan on because it's super smoky in my house, so I'm just going to cancel this and shut my stove off completely. Now I'm going to actually cook this for 2 hours and do not open the stove. So okay, you guys, so we had to measure the inside of it and had to let it cook a little bit longer, turn the stove on. The inside just wasn't quite to the...
It was only up to like 122 degrees. So we had to put it back up to 350 and turn the oven off.
But
so hopefully that brought the temperature up.
Now we're just going to let it sit for a minute, and we will let you guys know how it tastes.
It's going to be pretty rare. That looks good. That looks really good.
I've already tried to sample this, you guys, and it tastes like butter.
How much do you want cut off? Right there?
Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this kind of video, please let me know. This is my first time this is my first time making meat, but the husband did help me at the very end on this, but I think I did pretty good at the beginning and letting it cook. So definitely be doing more videos like this, but thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys later.